Good morning here on Rob Dog's Vlogs. If I had $1 for every time I say that, I might have made $100 by now. So me and Ciri, I'm going to take her to the Blue Mountains today and we're going to go for a little trek in the bushes. So you got two types of paths. You got the national park and then you got other places you're allowed to take dogs. So we decided to go to the South Lawson Waterfall circular walking track. It's probably the one that's a little bit more adventurous. It's not the easiest one, but it's like, I think it's the best rated one there. There's two that are good and it's one of the best two for dogs. You ready to go for a bushwalk? Yeah? Alright, we're on the way. I'm just filling up. Going over a bridge, Ciri, you ready? So we're just over halfway and I just seen this mad spot. It's called Yellow Mundy Regional Park. You should check the view out here. I had to stop here. I'm gonna get my drone up and fly it around for a minute. We're high on the mountainside here. Look at the view from up here. Alright, I'll get the drone up real quick. Alright, next stop, the South Lawson Circular Track. Let's go. So we made it. Here we are. Maps led me to this track, so I don't know what I'm expecting. I'm just going to follow it and see where it takes us. But apparently it's got 4 waterfalls on the way, so let's go. You ready, Ciri? Yoo! So we're here. We're going to follow this track all the way up. I think it's like 2-hour loop, depending on which track you go. So me and Ciri, we don't really have a plan of attack. We're just gonna go for it and enjoy some bushwalking. And if you want to join us, let's go. So if you see my last video I put up, I told everyone that I lost my job. So I'm making the most of not being at work full time. I'll get a job within a week or two, but right now I'm just going to focus on making some videos with my little Ciri girl and just enjoy life, because all you do is work. Sometimes it's great to just enjoy some time off. Look at this little track here. Oh, we got some rock stairs. The track says 2 hours, but with Ciri pulling me like this, I reckon it's going to take an hour. Let's go! Yeah! You just got to remember to go up them stairs to go home. Because you got a track this way, a track this way, and a track this way. Gets a little confusing. I can hear some water. Alright, we've got the first waterfall. It kind of reminds me of New Zealand a little bit. Just the greens and the ferns, and she keeps wrapping around my leg, so I've got to do a 180 return. Let's go to Adelina Falls. Look at this beauty. Rainforests are so beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. Here's the first waterfall. Oh, a little drink here. Alright, first waterfall complete. Let's keep going. Woo-hoo, she's slippery. I don't know if this is classified as one of those little waterfalls, but look at this little place. This is mad. It's literally like the perfect little swimming hole to cool off. Ciri wants to go in so bad. These rocks would be so slippery. Look at that. Look at that beauty. You're having a drink, here we go. Don't fall in. Alright, come on. Yeah, look at the lead now. It's all dirty. Ew. Alright, we've got ourselves another mini waterfall. Look at this. So the creek just goes and goes and goes, and you have all this natural beauty around. You can understand why the older generation say, travel your own country. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like to see the world and different culture, different food and different people, but you can understand why the old Aussies say, travel Australia because it's such a beautiful country. And there's a lot that you don't know about in Australia, but here it is. Let's expose this beautiful country. Let's go. Here's another beautiful waterfall. Look at this. Look at the drop down here. Goes all the way down. Alright, let's keep going. Let's go, Ciri. Up this way. Come on, you gotta lock the hubbies in here. Let's go. 4-wheel drive. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm slipping, not you. Good girl. It's real muddy down here. Lucky I brought my boots. We're walking through a swamp. I don't think you would have been able to come through here without boots, that's for sure. And I had my bloody my white Nikes on. Smart move. I literally just turned the camera off, and then like 10 seconds later there's another waterfall. Alright, so this little track is going to lead us to that big waterfall, right to the bottom of it. That's right. Whoa! You're killing me, Ciri. That's where we were before, up the top there. And now we're down here in the shadows. This is what I'm talking about. It's very slippery, I might not do that. Alright, next spot, let's go. We got another waterfall just up here. Alright, let's keep on them. So in the last video I did, I mentioned I lost my job. I also gave Ciri a haircut, and I talk about why I started YouTube in the first place. The thing is, I was going for a bit of a weird time, shit was going down in my life. I lost a lot of money, I lost my job, and it was just a distraction to keep me going. But I realized I love making content, I love making memories, I love seeing my friends and family in my videos, so I ain't gonna stop. I'll get off the crack, mate. Alright, so I'm a bit torn between Cataract Falls and Federal Falls. So I think we'll take this one and see where it takes us. She knows exactly what's going down. Let's go! And I think what we'll do is we'll try and find a high spot and we'll get the drone up. Look at little Ciri leading the way. You're a boss. Honestly, I've kind of gone so far off track and there's just tracks going everywhere off other tracks. I actually got no idea where I am. But if we get lost, it'll be fun trying to find our way back. This way said the Cataract Falls, but I don't know if it's up that way. Let's just keep going. Come on, Ciri. I just realised I left my sunnies at one of them waterfalls, the one I nearly slipped on. But anyways, we're headed back now, and I think this track's going to take us all the way parallel to where we parked. So we're going to have to go for a bushwalk. We're going to have to walk on the road for a little bit. So we found it, Cataract Falls. And this is Cataract Falls. Thirsty? You having a little drink? Nice fresh water, isn't it, Ciri? Alright, so we'll get the drone up here and we'll get an eagle eye shot of this place. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage, but unfortunately it said max altitude. I could only get as high as the top of that rock there. Alright, let's go to the next spot. Alright, so I realised you got the southern car park, which brings you to the road, but then we're going to have to walk along the road. So instead of going all the way back there for an hour and a half, I think we just go up this way. Wow, look at this one. Come on, Ciri, let's go. All right, I think we're nearly there. The only thing that sucks is I left my sunnies there in the bushes.
Well, we've got a little bridge. Don't let your feet fall in, Ciri. Don't let your little feet fall in. Her feet are too small. Come on, we'll go slowly. Come on. Go slowly. Slowly, slowly. Don't hurt your feet. Slowly, slowly. Good girl. Yay.
It's always funny, eh? At the start of the day, she's just pulling me and she's choking on the lead. By the end of the day, she's just cruising.
She's in second gear now.
I was about to record this beautiful tree, but then I noticed there was a mother and father behind the tree, and the mother was breastfeeding. So I had to put my head down like this. Alright, so it's actually a dirt track back to the car. I didn't have to go on the road. There's this dirt track that follows me all the way to the car. The last steps to the car. The track has come to an end. The car is just ahead. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some fishing content or some motorbike content or some traveling content, go to my page and you'll see some cool videos. Get amongst.